Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a roller bottle. So most of you, when you got started, you started right away with roller bottles, and maybe someone gave it to you and you're thinking, how am I going to make one of these? Looks so complicated, and actually it's really easy. So I like to use 5 ml rollers or 10 ml. You can get them all in the back office of doTERRA. If you type accessories into the search bar, the rollers will pop up. They have amber ones, I'm pretty sure, which is fine. So I'm gonna make a roller bottle for healthy skin that's on the recipe page of a Make-A-Take that I have called Healthy Daily Habits. And this one's for healthy skin. It's 5 drops each of frankincense, copaiba, lavender, and yarrow palm. And then we're gonna top it with coconut oil. So I'm just gonna take each one and count out 5 drops. If you get a little bit more, or go a little over or a little under, it's really okay. It's just kind of a general rule of thumb with the recipes. Some come out easier than others. Wait till you see this one. It's blue. 1, 2. Okay, this one does come with the dropper top, which is great. And then if you don't have a pump for your coconut oil, I would suggest you get one. They do have them in the back office at doTERRA as well, because it's less messy, and you can stick the tip right into the roller bottle. Fill it up to the top of the barrel, not up to the top where the lines are, just the top of the barrel. And I do shake it up to really get all those oils in, and then put it on. This particular one goes in very easy. If it doesn't, I like to put the thing here, and sometimes I even stand up to really give it a good push down. And you just want to make sure that the plastic connects with the glass. And there you go. Always label it, which I did do a pre-made label for myself, but you can just put your labels on so you remember what you're using. Anything, like I said, can go in a roller bottle. You can put a combination. You can put straight up Just Breathe if you want it. Depends on what you're trying to achieve. You can put it on for digestive issues, all things skin, respiratory. It's a great way, especially for little ones, to put some Breathe in a roller bottle and top it off with coconut oil and use that. There will be dilution guidelines posted with this video that correlate with the age of the child. It's the general rule of thumb is the age of the child is how many drops of each oil you would put in that roller bottle. Okay, so that's it. Really easy. It is best to keep them standing straight up. They sometimes leak, but that's about it. Keep them standing up. Okay, thanks.